As corny as this may sound, the way we met, it's like God made it that way. How was it that we were in the same building, but on two different sides? How was it that right before leaving high school and going into the real world, we were put in the same path, the same class? God works in mysterious ways, but if we really sit there and analyze those ways, they're truly amazing.
"6 years ago, for the first time in my life, I asked a beautiful young lady to be my girlfriend.
I'm so excited to spend the rest of my life with you, and I'm so excited for all the adventures that we're gonna be going on and all of the things that life is gonna bring us. I'm just excited to share that with you.
Today, I, Raynier Alfonso, take you, Deholmys Rubio, to be my lovely wedded wife. And I vow to protect you, care for you, cry and laugh with you till the end, in both good and bad times. I vow to always be by your side, for forever and always, till death do us part.
I promise to support anything and everything you have in store for you. I promise to care and take care of you and to take care of the beautiful family we'll build together. I promise to cherish every moment like it was our last for the years to come. I promise to be the wife you can be proud to have for the rest of our lives here on this earth. Today, I thank God for bringing us together and ask before Him to bless the great adventure